we are going to go over some Latin roots for this lesson. Before I do that, I just want to remind you that you are, you are underlining the Latin root in each word. You can pick the top half, you can pick the bottom half, or you can do both. That is up to you. After you underline the Latin root in one half, both half, for example, I guess I should make sure I show. So speck, so you'd underline speck, 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 okay? Rest of that line. Liter, litter. Okay, you're underlining it. Okay, say I have struct down here, vent. Whichever one it has, that's what you are underlining in each word. Then, read the words for 1 minute and write down how many words you got down here. You can do it once, you can do it twice, you can do it 3 times, see if you can get faster each time. But make sure you do that, okay? I forgot what I was going to say. So, make sure you do both parts. Now, as far as actually what these Latin roots mean, because one language that English has roots in is Latin. It comes from sort of a lot of different languages put together. That's one reason why English is a little bit confusing at times. But one of those languages it comes from is Latin. So the roots we're going to look at is speck, litter, vent, struct. And the pronunciation changes a little bit depending on what word it's in. So the first one is speck, which means see. So spectator is someone who goes to see something like a sporting game, or if they're even watching like a car wreck, you might say they're a spectator of that car wreck. They're someone who sees it. To inspect something is to look really closely at it, so you're seeing it. Spectacle is something that's worth seeing. Be like, whoa, that was quite a spectacle. The fireworks, the amazing trick someone did. All right. So understanding that this root of spect means see can help you understand the words better. Understand what the words mean. And sorry, my pen's being a little weird. Litter or liter means read or letters. So literature is like books we read, texts that we read. Literal means like right in front of you. So it's not necessarily a book that's right in front of you, but the actual meaning. So that's when the Latin roots aren't a direct translation, but it can help us understand. Illiterate, well, the prefix il means not. Okay, so illiterate means not able to read. Again, so understanding these different word parts can help us understand what words mean. Vent means come. This is one that's a little less literal, to use one of the words from the last slide. So an adventure, something we come on. We are looking to have a good time, but we're coming along to do it. Invent, to create something, so it sort of comes from your mind. Okay, so that's when I say it's a little more vague. It's not directly using the Latin root like some of the other ones are. And then the last one is struct. This one is a little more straightforward, means to build or make up. So a structure is something that is built. Okay, a building, a house is a structure. Even something you were to build out of Legos, you could call it a structure. Construct means to build something, to put it together. Now, destruction, again, has to do with that prefix there of de, means like the opposite or not. So you're destroying something, you're not building it. You're doing the opposite of building it or tearing it down. Okay? So, understanding these words can help us build our vocabulary as we understand what these different roots mean. So go ahead, underline your words, time yourself. Okay, if you need help with any of the words, either ask or watch the video of me reading the words. Good luck.